We're at 6 Marlborough Street, and we're going to take a look at the one-bedroom, number 4A. There's a staircase, elevator, so you can take the elevator to the 4th floor, and as you come out, it's to the right. Here's the apartment. As you walk in, there is an entry area, great for coats, shoe racks. It's a very spacious apartment. It has hardwood floors throughout. It's been recently updated. So in the entry area, you also have storage closets here and coat closet right here. It's really well laid out. I'll back up so you can see the entry. There's the bathroom to the right, bedroom is straight ahead, and living room and kitchen are to the left after you walk in, so let's start over here. Kitchen is renovated, opens into the living room. You have high ceilings. And it's a front-facing apartment. It's looking over Marlborough Street. It's a one-way residential street, and you're only 1 block from Boston Commons. You can see Boston Commons right from here. That's it right there. That's Arlington Street, intersection of Arlington and Marlborough. Some built-in, some shelves. And here's the kitchen. It's a beautiful kitchen. You have breakfast bar. They have 2 stools. You can easily fit 3 and still have a comfortable space for 3 people. Five-burner gas stove, dishwasher, there's the microwave, tons of cabinet space. There's a wine rack. More storage here, so it's a really large kitchen. Beautiful backsplash. And then here's the bedroom. Bedroom is very large as well. It can easily fit a king-size bed. There's a large closet. Actually, this might be a king. It looks like a king. So it still leaves you room for a dresser or nightstands or both. And the bedroom is facing just a courtyard there. There's a fire escape. And here's the closet. It's also been updated. It was 2 smaller closets, I think, and it was combined into 1 large walk-in closet, so tons of storage. There's sliding doors to close it. Slides open on this side too. And finally, there's the bathroom. It's also been updated. There it is. It's a tub with a shower, pretty standard. It's in good shape. And there's this window that's also looking out into the courtyard. We're at 6 Marlborough Street. These are the front-facing units. That's Arlington Street in Marlborough. And you can see Boston Commons from here. And it's a one-way residential street. Here's the entry into the building. So when you walk in, there are mailboxes here. There is an elevator, so you can take that to your apartment. Or you can take the staircase. And there's also laundry downstairs in the building. You only walk one flight from where the entry is. And the laundry room is right here. I have 3 washers, 3 dryers. For 6 Marlborough Street. It's a shared outdoor space with really nice views. It's a little dreary today, but on a sunny day, it's a pretty nice spot. The furniture typically stays here. It's for the tenants to use.